Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you saw my last video, there was just like this thing in the background. It's going and if it does this today, let me know in the comments down below, cause I will try to, I want to know if you guys don't like it. Of course you guys don't like it, like who the heck likes it? And, so, if you guys are not subscribed, can you please subscribe to me? Okay, so, I died. You couldn't have just gave it to him before. Okay, so I'm gonna be playing Tower of Hell. And, you might have, although my last video, you might have saw me playing this game before, I like this game. Yeah. Oh god. Oh my god. Yo, what the? Okay. Just stop. Yay. Okay, so if you guys are not new to this channel, you would already know who I am, but if you guys are new to this channel, I am Bobby Sam, and I do YouTube videos a lot, and so, yeah, I do Roblox videos. My last YouTube video was yesterday, if you haven't seen that. Go check it out. It's really good. Well, in my opinion, it's good. Although mine tells me it's bad. You guys tell me in the comments below. Okay, hold on. Okay, so what did I do? Okay, so, oh. Okay. I'm really shocked. No one knows. No one knows where the key is. Put brown room. Blue room. Snitch. Dude, why that guy gotta snitch on me? Bruh, why you gotta snitch, bruh? Like, that's not cool. Okay, so that guy, he was spectating me, and then he just called where I am. Don't get me. Don't. But it's a bot, so key card. Oh gosh. The pig has woken up. Okay, I'm gonna go open up the orange key card room. Wait. She's the traitor. She said that she's the traitor. She's just following that dude. The traitor has been stopped. Let's go! Let's go, baby. Okay. So, she was the traitor, and I'm happy that she died. Flint. No. Yes. So, guys, they just want to do plant. And I'm going to do gallery. So, they're going to see what they just got themselves into. Okay. So, yeah. I want to do infection. They don't want to do it. They don't want it. Me. Okay, they're fighting. have purple key. Did anyone ask? So, you guys don't. Yeah, it's the best skin in the game. Okay. So, only 2 people who made it up. They can't complete the map if I'm just right here. Okay, so I'm gonna end this video short. Sorry if I didn't do that much. Sorry if it's really short. And let me know in the comments down below if you can hear the in my. So I'm gonna have to end this video short, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.